Hello to everyone, we are looking to from how to repair by itself electrolux washing machine esl6301lo. Yes, electrolux. First of all, problem this looks like this. Your washing machine beeps 3 times and washing motor here working all time, not washing but water removing motor. This one you need 3 beeps means that here you have a lot of water, regulator. Here you can see this one is when you have too many waters, he goes up and block button and this beeps. You need to find flow where you have your water goes down here. I was checked it at all and find that I have problem with my level sensor, water level sensor. This is one. This checked level sensor, and here's flow. I was glued here with glue, and that's all. It's okay. And check it by paper towel. Now I can check that water didn't go. After that I was happy and switch it on this washing machine and have error again and water into this panel too. I have create a big investigation and see that water have in this level. This is motor with circulation motor which go to water from washing machine to outside, and after many investigation I check here. This is circulation motor. You can see circulation that circulate water itself. This water from washing machine goes out. Maybe number you need for this one probably, and I have checked at the top and I see the water flow a little bit. It's a few waters here, and after that need to be open washing machine. Here remove this filter right, and after that you can see 4 screw. This screw was unscrewed. I don't know why, but this washing machine used it by 5 years, and probably by vibration this screw was unscrewed. I will screw this 2 screws, and that's all. The problem was go down. At this moment I don't have any more error. You can see I was at the bottom here was inserted paper towel to see if I have floor. You can see that floor I didn't have any floor. Water doesn't go down, and the washing machine was repaired by me. Thank you very much for watching. Maybe it's help you how to understand how to check your washing machine. Thank you and goodbye.